Good day, grade 2s. Today we are going to have a look at bonds of 2. We are going to look at the different ways to put two parts together to give us the total of the number 2. Last year you did magic sums. Today you are going to do them again. Let's have a look. Every time we are going to do bonds, we are first going to do the fact family of the number. We will be looking at all the numbers that will make the bonds number. We will start at the number 0. 0 and what will give you 2? 2, yes. After 0 is 1, so 1 and what will give you 2? 1, yes. After 1 is 2. 2 and what will give you 2? 2 and 0, well done. That is all the numbers for your fact family today. You will see as we spend more time on these and the bonds number gets higher, the bigger our fact family will get. Let's say the fact family of 2 together again. 0 and 2, 1 and 1, and lastly 2 and 0. Now we are going to keep our fact family in mind when we look at these dots. Remember, we are doing bonds of 2, so that means our total cannot be more than 2. In the first block you will see that if we have one dot, we will need another one dot to have 2 dots in total. In block number 2, you will see we have 2 dots as the total, which means it is 1 dot plus 1 dot, a magic sum. Almost the same as block number 1, just the other way around. In block number 3, we have 2 dots plus nothing, no dots. Why nothing? Because we are doing bonds of 2, and we already have 2, so we cannot add more. Otherwise, our total, our answer, will be more than 2. So 2 plus nothing, 0, will give you 2. In block number 4, you will see 2 dots minus 1 dot. If I have 2 dots and I take away 1, I will only have 1 left. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Well done. In block number 5, you will see we have 2 dots and we are taking away 2 dots. So if you have 2 and you take away 2, you will have nothing left. So 2 minus 2 is 0. In our last block, block number 6, we have 2 dots and we take away nothing. If you take no dots away, you will still have 2 dots left. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Now we are going to look at bonds of 2 sums, almost like the dots we just did, but just with numbers. 1 plus 1 equals 2. That means if you have 1 and you add another 1, your total will be 2. You can have a look on your fingers. 1 finger plus another one plus another finger equals 2 fingers. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Next one, 2 plus 0 equals 2. If you have 2 and you add nothing, it will stay 2. Now 0 plus 2 equals 2. That means you have nothing in a basket or any fingers or dots. And now you add 2 dots or fingers to nothing. You will have a total of 2. 2 dots or fingers. So 0 plus 2 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. You are showing 2 fingers and you are taking away 1 finger. That means you will only have 1 finger left. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. If you have 2 fingers and you take away nothing, you will have 2 left. Now, if you hold out 2 fingers and you take away 2 fingers, then you will have nothing left. So 2 minus 2 equals 0. The next sum is the other way around. The total, the answer is first, and then the sum. The answer you can see is 2, so 1 plus what will give you 2? 1 plus 1 is 2. The next one again starts with the answer 2. So the plus sum cannot be more than 2. That is why we say 2 plus 0. Because if we add more, the answer will be wrong. Now I want you to take out your whiteboard or a piece of paper. Pause the lesson on this slide and try to put the correct number in the blank spaces on the lines. You can write the fact family down to help you, or you can make dots. Once you are finished, press play again to see your answers. Here you can see the answers. Once you are finished checking your work, I want you to stop the lesson and on your whiteboard or paper, see how many different bonds of 2 you can get by using the fact family numbers. For example, 0 plus 2 equals 2, or 2 minus 2 equals 0. Have fun!